TTD stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Now listen, as the only persona in this YouTube space that has actually done 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience and spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, you don't have to. Over my 5-year time journey, I mean, I figured out what's working for me and what's not. Pre-market here is a good, you know, 54 bucks. Just hovering around like where we close, that's pre-market. But it's just not yet enough for me to come out here and just start buying. Ideal world, I just see a good accumulation here over a couple of days, and then I'm ready to pull the trigger on this one. I mean, other than that, it's just pure noise, right? Like a lot of people are just going to overcomplicate stuff. And man, I'm just gonna stick to my rules that I've refined over 45,000 videos. Because, you know, yeah, technically this is a good demand zone, but this gap down quite hard, you know, and I mean, you can also just go in for the lows. I'm not comfortable with buying this now. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. It is free.